Welcome. Here is how to upgrade your PiggyVest account tier to increase your transaction and investment limit. So log into your PiggyVest account and tap into the account or settings at the bottom right corner of the dashboard. So you select on KYC or self-verification. Because I have mine verified already, that's why it's not on this screen. But if you haven't done that, you have it on your screen. You see KYC or self-verification. So enter and submit your 11-digit bank verification number, that's a BVN. You provide your national identification number, your NIN. You have to upload a clear photograph of a valid government issue ID card, such as your driver's license, international passport, voter's card, or NIN slip. So upload a clear selfie matching your ID photo, fill in your residential address, and submit a recent utility bill for address verification if requested. Tap submit and wait for a few hours for the system to process and automatically upgrade your limit. Thank you for watching and goodbye.